Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro Q videos. And 164 tune scale cars. Anyway guys, I have this Choro Q delivery truck. It's a standard size. It's the Choro Q Calsonic Impul Racing Team Truck. The Impul team guys is a Japanese automotive aftermarket company racing team based in uh, Setagaya-ku, Tokyo, Japan. So guys, this is a what they call this uh, uh, transport transport spare parts for Calsonic Impal team for Nissan Skyline. So this one guys is released in 2003 I think of Choro Q. So you can buy this as a set with a Skyline, Calsonic Impal, or individual like this one. But this one guys, I bought it as a loose, as a second hand. And at the bottom guys, you can see it's Choro Q HG high grade. And it's made in Taiwan guys. Oh no, it's 2000 guys, year 2000. Calsonic Racing Team, Transporter, 2000. Impal, Bridgestone, Nissan on the side. And a silhouette of a race car. This one guys. And in the front, it has a Calsonic Hoshino Racing. That's the company of Impal guys. The upper part is Calsonic Racing Team, Hoshino Racing. In mint condition guys, it's been played. As you can see, the decals are starting to what they call this to peel off. But anyway, it's in very good condition. Even the pullback mechanism still very good condition guys. So again guys, this is a Choro Q standard size HG series Calsonic Racing Team for Nissan Skyline Calsonic Impal Racing Team. So this is one of my delivery truck one of my collection of transporter or delivery truck from Choro Q. Okay. That's it guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.